Coming up for air, finding his leg. Lost at sea, the man stranded for 20 days. How he survived after he ran out of water. And there's good news tonight about the firefighter who donated her kidney to another firefighter. Who happens to be her husband. Nightly news.
That's awesome. And apparently a lot of women do that, but those motherfuckers won't do it back.
Better appreciate everything about it.
And he won't.
He's a firefighter.
George Lopez left his wife after she gave him a kidney. They're a bunch of bitches. 80% of kidney recipients are men, even though 80% of the donors are women. Bullshit.
I'd give you my kidney, baby, if you need it.
I'd steal your damn kidney. Give me that thing. You owe me.